Welcome back to our channel Respect Education. Hello everybody, this is worksheet 1 of mathematics, that is pair of linear equations in two variables. Right. Now we see relation between coefficients and nature of system of equations. For example, here let us consider two equations. They are a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. Now there are three cases. Let us see case number 1. Here the condition is that a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. Here the graphical representation is, these kind of lines are intersecting lines. These are intersecting lines. Means if we draw the graph would be in this way. This is one of the lines and this is the other line. These are intersecting lines. So here algebraic interpretation, it says whether it is consistent or inconsistent. It is consistent. And the number of solutions, here you can see they meet at only one point. So unique solution. Unique solution. Right. Now we see case 2, that is second case. Case number 2. Here a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2, whereas this is not equal to c1 by c2. Let us see how these lines are. These are parallel lines. If we draw the graph looks like this. This line is parallel to this line. Both are parallel to each other. Right? Now, this system is inconsistent. When these two lines are parallel to each other, then they never meet. So here no solution. No solution. Let us see the third case, that is case number 3. a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is also equal to c1 by c2. These lines are coincident lines. if we observe the graph, it would be there is a line, on that another line is also. So there are infinite number of solutions, and moreover it is consistent. If you observe here both the lines, okay, they have so many points in common. So we can say that here infinitely many solutions. Infinitely many solutions, right? So if we keep these points in our mind, we can solve so many problems. Now I would like to tell you a simple way, simple technique to remember these. Here remember, I see you. First case can be remembered as I see you. I is for intersecting lines, C is for consistent, U is for unique solution. And the second one we can remember as PIN, pin. So let us remember it as PIN, pin. P for parallel, I for inconsistent, N for no solution. And here this is like CCI, or in reverse you can remember ICC, Indian Cricket Council. So here this is reverse, okay, ICC. So if you are able to remember CCI also, no problem. C for coincident lines, C for consistent, and I for infinitely many solutions. Now we see multiple choice questions. Question number 1. The pair of linear equations 4x plus 6y equal to 9 and 2x plus 3y equal to 6 has no solution, many solutions, 2 solutions, and 1 solution. Let us see here. Let us simplify. First consider a1 by a2, that is 4 by 2. So here I am writing a1 by a2, that is 4 by 2. If I simplify, this is 2. And then b1 by b2, that is 6 by 3. So this is 2. Now let us find c1 by c2. Here if we bring 9 this side, it becomes minus 9. By bring the 6 this side is minus 6. So minus minus cancel. 3 3s are and 3 2s are. Here we get a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2, but not equal to c1 by c2. Now here let us observe. See, here we got it. This is a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2. This is case 2. So here parallel lines, inconsistent, and no solution. So here no solution. So here let us write option A, no solution, is the right answer. Now we see question number 2, that is the graphical representation of the pair of equations x plus 2y minus 4 equal to 0 and 2x plus 4y minus 12 equal to 0 is which kind of lines, okay, nature of lines. Let us find here a1 by a2, that is here a1 is 1, here a2 is 2, so 1 by 2. b1 by b2, here b1 is 2 and b2 is 4, this is 2 by 4. On simplification we get 1 by 2. And c1 by c2, here that is minus 4 by minus 12. Here minus minus get cancelled, 4 1s are 4 3s are. Finally we get here these two are equal. So a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2. That value is not equal to c1 by c2, because here you see these two values are 1 by 2 and 1 by 2. This is 1 by 3. So here a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2. It belongs to case 2. It belongs to case 2. Let us check here. See the condition. Here it is a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2. The lines are parallel lines, right? So here let us see. Option B is the right answer. Now we see question number 3, that is for what value of k the pair of equations 4x minus 3y equal to 9, 2x plus ky equal to 11 has no solution. So here having no solution, see, no solution is of case 2. The condition is a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2. So it is case 2, right? So here no solution means it is case 2. Let us write it here, that is case 2. Here the rule is that a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2. Let us substitute these values. Here 4 by 2, a1 by 8 is 4 by 2 is equal to minus 3 by k is not equal to minus 9 by minus 11. So here let us simplify. This one 2 1s are, 2 2s are. So 2k equal to minus 3, 2k equal to minus 3, and here if we simplify this one further, k is equal to minus 3 by 2. But here unfortunately option is not there, plus 3 by 2 is there, but k is minus 3 by 2. As there is no option, I am leaving it as blank. Now we see question number 4, that is, two lines are given to be parallel. Parallel is case 2. Case 2. The equation of one of the lines is 4x plus 3y equal to 14. The equation of the second line can be, here case 2 we know, the condition is a1 by a2 should be equal to b1 by b2, should not be equal to c1 by c2. Let us check here, 4 by 3, 3 by 4, they are not equal. So first option can't be right answer. Why? Because here a1 by a2 if you do, we get here 4 by 3, a1 by a2, and this is 3 by 4, b1 by b2 is 3 by 4. They are not equal, but here they should be equal. So option 1, option A can't be the right option. Let us check here option B. 4 by 8 is 1 by 2, 3 by 6 is also 1 by 2, minus 14 by minus 28. So here minus 14 by minus 28 is also 1 by 2. Here all the three are equal, but here last two should not be equal, they became equal. So this can't be the right option. Let us see third one. 4 by 12 is 1 by 3, and 3 by 9 is also 1 by 3, minus 14 by minus 42, that also 1 by 3. So all the three are equal. Here the condition is that last two should not be equal. So this can't be the option. Now here let us check the third one. 4 by minus 12 is minus 1 by 3, plus 3 by, let us bring this one here, plus 3 by minus 9, that is also minus 1 by 3, and here 14, here nothing is there, so 14 by 0, this is infinite, so these two are not equal. So a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2, but not equal to c1 by c2. So option D is the right answer. Now we see question number 5, that is, if two lines are intersecting at a point, then the equations will have, see, intersecting at a point is case 1, it is case 1, intersecting lines are case 1. So they have unique solution, okay. So unique solution, unique means only one, so one solution. Option A is the right answer. Infinitely many solutions, it belongs to case 3. No solution, it belongs to case 2. Two solutions, such case is not there. So here unique solution, that is one solution, case 1. So option A is the right answer finally. Now we see question number 6. If the pair of equations 2x plus 3y minus 5 equal to 0 and 4x plus ky minus 10 equal to 0 has infinite number of solutions, it belongs to case 3. So here it is case 3. The rule for case 3 is a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. So let us check here. Let us substitute these values. Here we get it as a1 by a2 is 2 by 4. 2 by 4 is equal to b1 by b2. 3 by k is equal to c1 by c2 minus 5 by minus 10. Now here either we can make these two equal or these two equal. So let us consider this one. 2 by k, 2 by 4 is equal to 3 by k. So let us cancel 2 1s are 2 2s are. Now k 1s are k and we do cross multiplication, and 3 2s are 6. So k equal to 6. Option B is the right answer. Now we see question number 7. The pair of linear equations 3x plus 5y equal to 3, 6x plus ky equal to 8 do not have a solution. Means do not have a solution, no solution. No solution. So it belongs to case 2. So here I am writing, it belongs to case 2. The rule of case 2 is a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 but not equal to c1 by c2. Let us substitute the values here. Here on substitution we get 3 by 6 a1 by a2, 3 by 6 is equal to b1 by b2, 5 by k is not equal to minus 3 by minus 8, minus 3 by minus 8. So here let us consider these two, because if we consider these two, minus minus get cancelled. This is 8 5s are 40 by 3 should be the answer, that is not there. So let us consider first two. So this will be 3 1s are 3 and 3 2s are 6. This is, here I am writing 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. If we simplify 3 by 6, we get 1 by 2 equal to 5 by k. Now we do cross multiplication. K 1s are k equal to 5 2s are 10. K equal to 10. So here option B is the right answer. Now we see question number 8. That is, if x equal to a, y equal to b is the solution of the equations x minus y equal to 2 and x plus y equal to 4, then the values of a and b are respectively. Since x equal to a and y equal to b, let us substitute the values here. X equal to a minus y equal to b. So it is a minus b equal to 2. Here x equal to a. So a plus y equal to b plus b is equal to 4. Let us simplify these two on adding. If we add them, so here minus b plus b get cancelled. Then here we get a plus a is 2a is equal to 4 plus 2 is 6. From this a is equal to 6 by 2 is 3. A is 3. Now if we substitute a value either in equation 1 or equation 2, let us consider it. A plus b equal to 4. Since a is 3, 3 plus b is equal to 4. So b equal to 4 minus 3 is 1. Finally a is 3, b is 1. A is 3, b is 1. So option C is the right answer. Now we see question number 9. That is, solve for x and y. 4x plus 6 by y equal to 15. 3x minus 4 by y equal to 7. So here let us multiply the first equation with 3 and the second equation with 3 4s are 12. So 4 3s are into 4 will do. So here what happens, 3 into 4x is 12x plus 3 6s are 18 by y is equal to 3 15s are 45. Next with 4 3s are 12x minus 4 4s are 16 by y is equal to 4 7s are 28. Now here let us subtract, so that the symbols will be changed, negative, positive, negative. So here what happens, plus 12x minus 12 they get cancelled. Here we get 18 by y plus 16 by y. 18 plus 16 is 34. 34 by y is equal to 45 minus 28. So this is 15 means it is 7 and this is 7. Now let us do cross multiplication. 17y equal to 34. So y equal to 34 by 17. So y is 2. Y is 2. Now substitute y value in any one of the equations. Here in first equation I would like to substitute, that is 4x plus 6 by 2. 6 by 2 is 3 equal to 12. So from this we get 4x equal to 12 minus 3. Yes, here a small correction. This is 4x plus 3 equal 15, but not 12. 15 it is, right? Okay. So 15 minus 3 is 12. So 4x equal to 12. Then x equal to 12 by 4 is 3. So finally x is 3 and y is 2. That is option A is the right answer. Now we see question number 10. If you feel this video is helpful to you, please like, share and subscribe our channel. And please do not forget to press the bell button so that you will get the notifications from our channel. Thank you very much.